Would you like to make informed choices about what is healthy and good for you and your family? Choices that are knowledge-driven and based on sound scientific data? And what if the choices that you make are simultaneously beneficial for our farmers, our environment, and our planet Earth at large? Wouldn't that be awesome? If this is what you've been looking for, then you are at the right place. Just Munch and Mull.
Namaskaram, I'm Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant, and your host on Munch and Mull.
Before I share with you of what's special about the Munch and Mull online platform, let me quickly tell you about how Munch and Mull has influenced millions of viewers on YouTube since 2019. On this day, we launched Munch and Mull on YouTube as a channel that integrates leaves of a tree which can almost grow anywhere are a solution to hunger and malnutrition. That educates. Is it a surprise that moringa is called a herbal gold? And that inspires. But unless you and I are ready to use these rice varieties, why should the farmer grow it? Munch and Mull originally found expression as a platform to share tasty, traditional, nutritious, and healthy vegetarian recipes that are all natural and sattvic, consciously steering clear of refined ingredients and processed foods. But that was not all. Every video concludes by stirring up the viewer's curiosity and concerns through an important, relevant, thought-provoking question in the form of a Mull Point at the end of each video. Over these past years, we have received so much of love, questions, and requests from viewers like you from all over the world. So, while we keep continuing to release more thought-provoking videos, we have made ourselves and all that we believe in more accessible to you through our website and our health and wellness tool. Beyond the munching that we all do, we also wanted you to mull over not just about what you munch, but much, much, much more. Here's the vision of Munch and Mull: to inspire the creation of a community that appreciates and preserves its diverse cultural food heritage, respects small, local, organic farmers and farming networks, supports environmental heroes or small-scale ethical ventures actively working towards making a positive impact for a healthy and sustainable life for all beings on this planet. Now, is that not inspiring? So, Munch and Mull is on a mission mode to help you make knowledge-driven, informed choices about what is healthy and good for you and your family that are concurrently beneficial for our farmers and all life on Earth. We want to show and remind you that your food can be your medicine. Our mission is also to educate and actively encourage purchase and consumption of the safest and best organic foods and lead to lifestyle choices that are focused on holistic health, revive or sustain traditional crafts offered ethically by ventures whose products or services are devoid of animal cruelty and help mitigate climate change.
At Munch and Mull, we have a dream to inspire and advocate all that is healthy and green. Solutions clean, transparent, and fair. Food, products, and lifestyle chosen with care. Join us. Let's rewrite a future brighter, healthier, and green. At Munch and Mull, we have a dream.
So, come, join us. Let's make it happen together.